I think I like this little dog.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Peaches. Hey, girl. You having a good day? Huh? Are you having a good day? You keeping all the gremlins away? You're the good girl. You the good girl? Huh? Are you the good girl? Yeah. Hello. Hello. Well, hello. How are you today? You're good? I'm glad. Hi. Hi. Here, can I pet you? Here. Hi. I don't want you on my shoulder. You can't get on my shoulder. You can't get on my shoulder. You're blocked. Did you see a pretty cat? Here. Get back on the perch. Not the phone. Don't eat the phone. Here. Get back on the perch. There you go. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Lovebirds are such fun little birds. See if I can do this. Up and over. Those doves are nesting in a feed bowl back there. Oh, there's the other little parrotlet. And there's another feed bowl that they're building a nest on. What is it? You want some more attention? Huh? There are 4 pairs of lovebirds in this cage, this flight. 4 of them are in nest boxes. I'm assuming those are females, and so I assume that these are the 4 males. Aren't they pretty? Well, hey friend, aren't you being nosy today? Huh? You are. Are you bothering those doves in that corner? Uh-oh. Son, you got some competition up there. The little brown one in the middle is the female. She's tufted. She actually has a tuft of feathers that extend forward on the front of her head. The white one and the tangerine orangish colored one, those are both males. I do have one extra male in here. You are so nosy. You are nosy. Hello, little cockatiel. Lolita. Lolita. Who saw a pretty cat? Huh? Did you see a pretty cat? Amazons are pigs. They like food more than I do. Oh, really? Oh, you're a pretty bird, aren't you? Yeah. You can whistle pretty songs to me any day, baby. How about you, sir? Huh? Hi. That's you over here again. Are y'all gonna have a contest? Oh, no. That may be more of a dominance issue. This is the mate to the one that just flew off. And over here is the mate to the white face that is singing. Beautiful Lucina. Hey, baby girl. And there he is. He's been bossy. That's why when you have a mixed flight aviary like this, you have to have multiple food bowls. Blueberry. This is not your food. You cannot eat their food. Your food is over there. You have your fruit and berries over there. There they are. Pretty, pretty birds. So Blueberry definitely runs the place. He is the boss man in charge. He's the one that makes the rules. But he's pretty easy going, as long as you stay out of his way and don't eat his blueberries. All the little parakeets are back here. Not all of them, but quite a few. There they are. And some of the doves. Hey. And, there we have more of the cockatiels. One on the little support thing on the wall. There used to be a doorway there when this building was, well, in a different spot before we moved it. I've got a light bulb out. Blueberry, come change this light bulb, man. I'm going to put nest boxes in here for all the cockatiels and parakeets soon. Just a happy little aviary. So we have most of our pet birds in here. Well, they're all pets, you know, every single last one of them. But the single birds that are not paired up, Forrest and Lolita and Winston, they are in here. There's Forrest. There's all three of them. There we are. The wind is blowing something fierce out there. You'd think it's March already. Look at the doves up there. Beautiful, beautiful birds.